First is solution. That is first topic I have taken my first lecture. What is a solution? So what is a solution? It is a homogeneous mixture. So I am making a summary of this chapter. I make a concept in your brain what this chapter has given the information to you. So question is, what is a solution? Answer is a mixture of the components. In your syllabus there is a binary solution. So what is a binary solution? It's a mixture of just two components. The component which is in excess is a solvent, and the component which is in a small quantity is a solute. So this is a solution. And on that day I told you how many types of solution. There are 9 types of solutions, and kindly remember the example of those 9 solutions one by one. This is first topic. Second topic was concentration of solution. So making a summary today. In the concentration of solution, I taught you how you will express the concentration. Answer is by means of molarity, molality, normality, percentage, ppm, and the same day I taught 2-3 questions that which is a better, molarity better or molality better. Second question I taken, which is more concentrated, 1m that is capital or 1m small. Same day I taken what is ppm, because ppm is the new term when it is used. The way I am taking question, you may write the topic. So these are 3 questions I may ask, that is of theory what I have taken. Now in this topic there is a full of numericals. Full of numericals. You take practice of lot of numericals of this topic, that is how to calculate molarity. In this day I told you just to make a table. The moment your table get ready, numericals will become very simple for you. This was my second topic. Write down second topic. So for that same for numericals, I will give you some of the numericals in my next assignment. So this completed your journal. What is a solution? How many types of solution? And how to express the concentration of solution. Now from the third topic. Third topic was of vapor pressure. That is solubility. Third topic was of solubility. Very important topic it was. Solubility of the gas in liquid was very important. Solid in liquid is very simple. It is low classes. This is very important topic of class 12th, because this topic has lot of numericals of Henry's law. So what you will do, students? You will take the in theory applications of Henry's law. That is one application. Other is numericals of Henry's law, and after that what are the factors on which solubility of the gas in liquid depend, limitations of Henry's law, and what is the role of temperature on the constant, Henry's constant, right? So this is third topic. So third topic you take very minutely. It's a very important topic, Henry's law. Statement, especially statement of Henry's law, application, limitation, value of KH, temperature effect on KH how, and rest is numericals. The fourth topic was of Raoult's law. RAULTS, Raoult's law. This is of vapor pressure topic. When vapor pressure. Raoult's law. You take the Raoult's law statement, Raoult's law derivation, when both solute and solvent are volatile, and in the Raoult's law the topic came ideal, non-ideal solutions as well as azeotrophs. Again there is a numerical from the Raoult's law. So one by one, whenever we make the assignment, I will also go topic wise. Ideal, non-ideal and azeotroph not carry any numericals. So graphs. Remember this, for these topic you will prepare the graphs. The question generally comes, what is the cause of the deviations? Make a graph. So always make a graph, always try to make a graph of a non-ideal solution showing positive deviation and showing negative deviation. So many questions I've taken side by side. Solutions become hot on mixing, solution become cold on mixing, extra. So daily I've given the 30 minutes lecture to you. So this is, and the very important question, when does, see my finger, when does Raoult's law become a special case of Henry's law? This question I've taken during lecture, when their constants become same. Okay, now my sixth topic was main body of the chapter, that is a colligative properties. So main topic of this chapter, 6. Under this there are 4 colligative properties, derivation and numericals. Theory I will take today, little bit theory. Colligative property, what is colligative property? Question generally asked in the papers, exams. What is colligative property? How many types of colligative properties? And derivations, prove their colligative properties, numericals. One was, one is lowering a vapor pressure, second was elevation at boiling point, depression at freezing point, and the last is osmotic pressure. And the 7th topic, there are total 7 topics in this chapter. 7th topic is abnormal molecular mass. Abnormal molecular mass, where we have introduced I in each colligative property, want of factor. What is the value of want of factor? Now these are 7 topics in this chapter. Now what we will do now? I will make an assignment where I will put some questions of the theory as well as of the numericals. You attempt at your home. When the problem will come, you can send me the message in my mail ID. You can write my mail ID is NEENA Nina dot JAGDISHDEORA Nina dot Jagdishdeora @gmail.com. So you can send, and then I will give you the assignment. The problem, if you will feel, you can send me at any time on my this mail ID, right? Or you can send me on my WhatsApp group that my school I have made it. Now there are 7 topics. 1 or 2 questions I have not taken. I am taking these 2-3 questions now. After that, I am going to complete this chapter, and next time I will teach the next chapter.